Hello everyone, welcome back to Management. And you are watching a 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, like mentions and landmark also. You can find the reviews and reviews online that are given by the restaurant or guest. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen is the size and brand, facilities and amenities. Category 5. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. As we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen all things will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.